Hi everybody, welcome to my screencast. The purpose of this video is to assist you as you're reading your article and to get you familiar with any words that you might not know as you read them. So one term that confused me a little bit as I was reading was the word probe. I've heard of this word before, but in this case the author is referring to a space probe or a spacecraft that has special instruments, specifically the spacecraft Juno. So Juno is a probe that has special instruments that will be used to measure the planet Jupiter. One of those special instruments is a very powerful camera. It has the nickname Juno Cam, and Juno Cam is used to take photos of features of Jupiter, or in this case you can actually see the moon surrounding Jupiter. Like I said, very strong. This was taken 2.7 million miles away, an incredible distance. One of the features of Jupiter that you can actually see from this Juno Cam shot right there is something known as the Great Red Spot. Astronomers have been looking at the Great Red Spot for over 300 years. It's one of the defining features of Jupiter. It's this rotating cloud right here, or set of clouds. It's actually a giant hurricane. It's a hurricane that is so big, it is the size of planet Earth. Very big. Some information about Juno's path of travel. Juno was launched from planet Earth in the year 2011, and it has been traveling to Jupiter, and it has finally made contact with the planet in the year 2016. Actually, this past 4th of July, Juno finally reached the planet Jupiter. So although this distance looks very small in this image, which is not drawn to scale, it is actually incredibly far. Some information about Jupiter. It is known as a gas giant. That's a very appropriate name for this planet. It is the largest planet in our solar system, so it's giant. And it's made mostly of gas, unlike the rocky planets like Earth and Mars, Mercury and Venus. This is a gas planet, so it's composed almost entirely of gas. Just on a little side note, Jupiter also has a few different moons. It has at least 4 moons, and scientists think that on the moons Io and Europa, there might actually be living things on there. A very exciting things to look for. Lastly, the term death dive is used by the author at the end. So kind of a dramatic way to explain how Juno is going to end its mission. On February 2018, mark your calendar, on February 2018, Juno is going to end its mission taking measurements of planet Jupiter by crashing into it. So we'll see what kind of information the Juno Cam will have for us at that time.